everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're diving into the exciting world of e-commerce. So I'm going to show you how to create your very own Shopify store. So whether you are a seasonal entrepreneur or you would like to expand your business online, this video is perfect for you. But before anything else, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. Okay, now so let's begin by going to your browsers and then type their website. It's www.shopify.com.ph, and it will direct you to their Shopify webpage. Okay, so let's zoom in so you can see it much better. So we just have to click this start free trial, and then it will ask you this question. So which of this best describes you? So there are two options here that you can see. First is I'm just starting, and second is I'm already selling online. So for me, I'm just starting, so I'm gonna click next, and then they're gonna ask you where would you like to sell. Pick as many as you like, and you can always change it later. Okay, so for me, I'm going to pick an online store, the social media, and in person, and then just click next. Okay, next, what do you plan to sell first? Pick what you want to start with and we'll help you stock your store. So they have 6 options here. Okay, so first is products I buy or make myself, shipped by me. Next is drop shipping products, sourced and shipped by a third party. And then print on demand products, my design, printed and shipped by a third party. Digital products, services, I'll decide later. So for me, products I buy or make myself, drop shipping products, and print on demand products. Click next. Where will your business be located? So for my business, because I'm in the Philippines, so I'm just gonna choose here Philippines. Click next, and then it will direct you to this page box to create your Shopify account. Okay, so let's create a Shopify account using signing up with email. So I'm gonna input my email. Okay, create your password. Then click create Shopify account. Now it's creating your account. It takes a few seconds to generate it. Then it will direct you to this page. Okay, now let's check out select a plan. Okay, so here you can pick your plan if you're planning to set up a store. So you have 4 options to choose from: retail, basic, Shopify, and advanced. But for us, because this is just for the tutorial, so we're just using the free trial account. Next, let's go to settings. You can see it on the left side bottom corner of your page, and then you can see this store details. Here you have to input your store name. To be able to edit this, you have to click this icon here and then input your store name. My store name is Bake Art Essentials, and then I'm gonna input my cell phone number and then click save. Okay, next is the billing information. Okay, so again, if you want to edit this, just click this icon and then put your business name on top, then fill up all the necessary information. So here I'm gonna input Bake Art Essential as my business name, and then I'm gonna change the city to Pampanga because I'm from Pampanga, and then I'm gonna put the postal code for Bacolor. Okay, so the address is I'm just gonna put San Isidro, and then for the region, Pampanga. Okay, and then click save. Okay, so we're done with the billing information. Okay, so for the store currency, since my store is in the Philippines, so Philippine peso is okay. For the time zone and unit measurement, I'm just going to use the same. Then for order ID, it says here, shown on the order page, customer pages, and customer order notification to identify the order. Okay, so I'm going to use the prefix hashtag, then my initial of my store, which is Bake Art Essential, BAE. So this will be the example of order ID that will reflect as my reference. So click Save. Now we're done with the store details, so we can edit some of the information here. Let's check out this internal icon. So we can upload our logo here, because this will customize how your store will look like for the admin. So since I already have my logo, so I'm just gonna upload it here. File uploaded, click Done, and then click Save. Okay, so now our logo is updated for the Shopify admin. So basically, we'll just have to update all the information here on the settings for your Shopify account. Let's have a quick look with all the information that you have to fill up into their dashboard. So first is the plan. So right now we're using the free trial plan. And then next is the billing. This is where you can see the amount that you have to settle for your account. And then next is the users and permission. So as a user, you're the store owner. And then staff account. This is where you want to include a staff that is going to have access on your store. And then next is payments. So this is where you're going to input your chosen providers that will going to process the payment transaction to your account. So in my case, I already have account created from PayPal, so I just have to complete the setup to be able to do a transaction. Okay, next is the payment captured method. So here they have automatically at checkout, automatically when order is fulfilled, and manually. So there's a link there on top to learn about how to capture payments and the period of authorization. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Next is the manual payment methods. So these are the payment made outside your online store. So you can just customize it for bank deposit, money order, or if you have cash on delivery. So just input the details here or any payment instructions. Last is the payment method customization. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. This is where you can select what contact method customers use to check out, and also you can fill up the customer information. Okay, now let's proceed to customer accounts. Under it, there is accounts in online store and checkout. So this is where the customers can input their login ID, so they can track their orders, view order histories, and save their address for faster checkout. Okay, so I'm gonna click edit. Okay, I'm gonna take this one so my customer will be able to access the link, login link easily. Okay, which version of customer accounts to use? For me, I'm just gonna, I think, use the classic customer account. So customer will log in with their email and passwords. Okay, so for new customer accounts, you can set up the self-serve returns if you wanted to, but right now it's turned off. And then this is the URL that you can share with your customers so they can have access to your online store team. Next is the classic customer account. This is where the customers can log in with their email and password. So under it, there's a branding, which you can customize your theme and input the brand name that you want or that you choose for your Shopify store. Okay, now let's begin the fun part of this tutorial video. So let's start customizing our templates for our Shopify store. So here is an example of the login section for the classic customer account. So for the paddings, these are the box where you can input your email and password. So there is a top and bottom padding. You can adjust the size of the padding by dragging left and right to this button. Next, let's click the forgot your password. Okay, you can customize the look of this section too. The same with the footer. Okay, so you can adjust the padding. Then you can change the background by clicking this button to change the color scheme. And then you can just choose what color or what style that you want here. Okay, now let's try to edit the color scheme because we have like a theme colors that we want for our store, right? So to do that, just click this edit button and choose background, and editing this scheme colors will affect all the sections that use this scheme. So for me, my theme color for my shop is light yellow color. Okay, so if you wanted to like have a gradient colors and add more colors to your background, and then you can do so and choose from this button. But for me, I preferred a single color. I just want a simple background. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove the gradient. Then you can change the color of the text if you want to, but for me, I just want it black. And then you can change also the background for solid button. Okay, and then the solid button label, so you can also change the color of the text. And then the outline of button. Then last is the shadow if you want to change the color. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one, the header. Okay, so you can change the positions of the desktop logo. You can make it top center. So this is how it looks like. Then you can try other positions to see what is best for your logo. Okay, so if you want to edit your logo, you can click this theme settings. And then you can upload there your logo picture. So for me, I already have my own logo, so I'm gonna upload it. Okay, so it's done. So that's my Bake Art Essentials Shopify logo. Okay, so just check out all the list of settings here so you can customize it according to your preference. Now let's proceed to uploading your page banner. So just click here. So the image banner is under template, and you can customize it or upload your image on the right upper side. So just click this button and then sort your image or your photo for your Shopify store. So I already made one for my store, so I'm just gonna upload it. Okay, so it's uploading now. Okay, and then file uploaded, then click done. Okay, and there you go. So after this, you'll just have to adjust the picture to match on the template. So I adjust the desktop content position to bottom center, then the banner height. You just have to try which one will work for your image. For me, I'm going to just choose the adapt to first image because it fits on the screen. Then if you have a second image for your banner, you can upload it afterwards. Then your banner will look like in a landscape format. But for now, I'm just going to use one image for the tutorial. Next, let's edit this browse our latest product. So this is the heading inside your banner. So you can change the information here or the text. For me, I'm going to change the size to medium. Then let's change the bottom section. So it will direct you to the products. So this is your catalog section, but we haven't uploaded any products, so no products is found yet. So in here, we're using the scheme 1 background. That's why it's also yellow. But if you wanted to change it a color for this one into other color, then you have to use this button change to change the color. Otherwise, if you will click edit and then you change the color here, it will affect all the sections that used to this scheme, including the main page. So let's try. So I'm going to show you. For example, we pick this color. Then let's return to our home page. there, so it's also affected the background of your homepage. But you can always put it back later if you want to change the color. So for now, let's proceed to the featured products. So here you can change the size of your heading. So I'm gonna change it to medium, and then you can change also the title or the heading of the sections. Then you can input some description to describe your products or the items that you are selling on your store. So just an example, here are our available products, and then you can change some of the information here, even the background color if you want. They also have lots of image shapes available to choose from, but for me, I'm just going to choose the classic one. And the last part is the footer. So you can change the padding size, the font, and the background color for this section. Okay, so for the color scheme number 1, I'm just going to put back my theme color, which is light yellow. So now my theme color is back. So if anything I want to change, I can always come back to it and adjust it later. But for now, this will be the look of my homepage. So let's save this project. And then let's go to exit to check our Shopify account. Okay, so here you can see there's a theme library. You can add themes here and customize it. So there's a lot of free themes available online, and the one that I choose is this one. Okay, now so we're done setting up the theme. So let's go to products. So here's the page you can add your items, or you can go to home page, and then here you can see your progress for setting up your Shopify account. So as you can see, I have completed 2 out of 10 to set up my Shopify online store. So here is the column where you can add your product. So just click this button. And then here you have to fill up all the informations needed, like the title. You can add the descriptions. And then if you have like pictures or videos, you can upload it here, and also the price and other things. Next is the collections. So the collections on your shop store is you have to add first your items, and then you can indicate it if it's your collectible items, and then it will reflect here. Okay. Next is selling online. So we're done customizing our store. So here you can add your domain if you have. Next is the store settings. Okay, so we already have a name of our store. Next is to set up the shipping rates. Okay, so here we need to input the details that we need for shipping and deliveries. Okay, so let's check out the general shipping rates. Okay, so my shop location is in the Philippines. But if you are from other countries, then just click this create zone, and then you can choose the countries where you're from. Okay, that's it for now. So let's click save. Okay, so for add products, so we haven't add products yet, but we can do that later. And then so let's check out the store settings. Okay, so we haven't done to set up the payment provider. So let's click choose app provider. So this is where you're going to choose which third party that you're going to use for processing the payment. Okay, so let's go to next one. Launch your online store. So this is the process where you can actually test your Shopify store. So you can have to place the real order and then see how does your stores look like. So if you want to change anything, or if it's run smoothly when you already started your business. Okay, the last one is set up points of sales. Okay, so let's go back to our Shopify account settings, and let's proceed to analytics. So this is the page where you can see the progress of your business online, and then as well as the reports. So in the reports, you can see all the status of your transactions on your Shopify store online. Okay, so let's go to discount section. So this is the page where you're going to input the details of the discount that you want to apply on the certain product. But since we haven't uploaded any products yet, so we cannot save changes for this section. Okay, so the next one is the blog post section. So in this page, you can create your blog post. So you just have to input here your title and then the content, and if you have any image that you want to upload to promote your online store. Next is the navigation section. So here you can configure the locations of all the buttons on your menu sections on your Shopify stores. Okay guys, I think I have shown you most of the important part on how to create your Shopify store. I know it's a lot of details, but I hope this video will help all of you. So this will be the final look of your draft look of your my Shopify store. So I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Your order.